Hello everyone, it's been a long time since I met you through a video. I'm happy to let you know that my first book on astrology has been published last week. So the book title is Achieving Success Through Astrological Guidance, No Costly Remedies and Full of Practical Wisdom. The foreword for this book is written by Supraja Raman, who is a grandson of Dr. B.V. Raman. First of all, I would like to thank Supraja Raman for accepting to write a foreword for this book. His foreword beautifully tells the essence of astrology. Before going into the detail of what is the content of this book, let me tell you who should read this book. If you are a person who believes in astrology but not sure how astrology really works, then this book is must read for you. This book will clearly give the distinction between fate and free will. If you want to lead an exceptional life by understanding what you are really good at, then this book will really help you to find your strength and weakness. This is a how-to book on astrology, but without too much jargons. This book is primarily focused on basic audience who know very little about astrology, but at certain places there will be a relevant technical content. The first chapter is Introduction to Astrology. So in this chapter I am talking about what is astrology and what astrology is not. I strongly believe that it is very important to understand what astrology is not, so that you will not have any undue expectations. In the same first chapter I talk about fate and free will and what are the different strategies to choose a right astrologer for your guidance. Whether the astrology supports geocentric theory and what is the relationship between astronomy and astrology, and whether it is astrology as science, and what is the significance of sun sign, why birth time is very important in astrology, and how the astrology works for twins, relationship between astrology and self-report, what is retrogression and how to analyze a chart with planet in retrogression, and how to handle the negative predictions in your horoscope, what is Rahu and Ketu and what is its significance. The third chapter primarily focuses on choosing the right career with astrology. One wrong decision can slow down your career and it can also create a displeasure for a long time. In this chapter I talk about career such as government job, teaching job, engineering job, doctors and medical profession, CEO, MD, leadership, lawyers, judges, banking career, acting career, political career, astrologer, business, and some of the combination for job loss and promotion. The job market landscape is ever changing, so keeping in that mind, I have also discussed some of the modern careers, for example data scientist. The fourth chapter focuses on the importance of astrological guidance in marriage. So this chapter discusses on Manglik dosha, how the marriage matchmaking has been done, what are the combinations for love marriage, and how lovers can take the astrological guidance, how to find the characteristics of your spouse, and what are the combinations for divorce and separation, and some of the myths about Ashlesha and Molar stars. The fifth chapter focuses on choosing the right financial strategy. So many think that earning high amount of money is sufficient to maintain the sound financial position throughout the life. But the earning is just the first step. Investing on the right channel according to one's horoscope will give the sustainable wealth. So in this chapter I am talking about what is Dhana Lagna, with that Dhana Lagna how to access the wealth. What is Arudha Lagna and its significance. What are the combinations to get success in share market, and what are the combinations for investment in immovable properties. When we lead a life that is harmonious to nature of our body, we will have a healthy life. This chapter will help you to understand the nature of your own body so that you can alter your lifestyle to lead a life with sound health. I have discussed the astrological combination for a bunch of modern diseases. For example, common cold, headache and migraine, skin disorders, speech disorders, nervous trouble, depression, anxiety and psychosomatic disorders, menstrual problems, urology problems, heart problems, diabetes, injuries, surgeries, cancer and other dreadful diseases, and other combinations for drug addiction and sleep problems. The seventh chapter highlights the importance of Muhurta. Good start is half the job done. Choosing right time for auspicious events is very important for overall success of your life. This chapter will give insights on choosing right Muhurta for marriage, buying house and etc. And the last chapter focuses on frequently asked questions on astrology. So this is the quick summary of this book. So astrology is an ocean, but I strongly believe this book will give the most relevant information to you. This book right now is available on Amazon, both in the format of paperback as well as ebook. I will provide the link of the Amazon in the description of this video. Right now the Amazon ships this book only in India. If you are in a foreign country and if you need the paperback copy of this book, please write a request to innovativestroSolution@gmail.com. I will definitely let you know the process. I really enjoyed writing this book. I hope you will also get a lot of wisdom by reading this book. I'll meet you shortly in another video. Thank you.